Hello, this is Dr. J from New Grow here from Dr. J Anti-Aging Clinic. We are located in Orlando, Florida. We are offering a stem cell hair restoration treatment, which is a non-surgical hair restoration treatment. And this is absolutely the best treatment for people who are looking for a non-surgical way to restore your hair. We have a patent pending treatment called Regrow hair restoration. That is a combination of stem cell and two other products, and this is the best treatment which could restore your hair without any surgery. So give us a call to find out more. Thank you.